Good morning, everybody. It's Patty. I wanted to say hello and show you some things from Tupperware again. This is my daily live that I'm going to try to be doing every day for you. Show one or two products from the brochure catalog. But also want to fill you in on some new developments that happened overnight. I receive a email from Tupperware every week called My Week, and that is our little news update that we get every Thursday morning now. And two things. There is a flash sale coming on Monday, August 24th, so just a few days away, so keep your eye out for that. Tupperware flash sale Monday, August 24th at 3 p.m. Normally they were held at 12, but now they've changed them all to 3. So please look out for that. I will, sorry it's backwards, but I will be posting that as soon as we get that. So look out for that, flash sale Monday. And also, they are showing a new product. These are the Eco To Go cups. They are on sale only till next Wednesday, August 26th. 2 for $15. So you're getting 2 of these cups, one in each color, the watermelon and I guess it's pineapple. 2 for $15. That is on sale only till next Wednesday, but you're getting 2 for $15. So I will be posting that too in the same flyer I'll post it on my group. So, Eco To Go cup, set of 2 16 ounces, number 89199. If you want these, just comment. I will get them for you. Choose to reuse and make a difference with our Eco To Go cups, featuring a base and lid made from the Eco Plus mate. There is a new material that Tupperware has developed, and they so far have put these in these cups. There's another product that I know of, I watched a video on, that is made from this new material. So keep your eye out for that. Available August 20th through 26th. Only our favorite sustainable friendly cup in a new fresh and fruity style. So that's the other announcement I want to share with you. Okay, so let's get to our product demo. So what I'm going to show you is the lunch solutions, lunch storage solutions. Knowing that start of school is right around the corner, whether you're sending your kids back to school in real time and going on the bus, getting to school and all that, or doing virtual school at home, what have you, even, back to college. Has college started? I think it did. Regardless, so all kids in school and all phases of school, these would be really good idea. Forget about the lunch baggies, saran wrap, foil, all that good stuff. These will really help you and save time, save you money. Don't have to, if you run out of the baggies, you don't have to worry about it because you have these containers. This is called the large Luncheon. And right now they are on sale in our August flyer. Right here, I'm sorry. So these are on sale up till September 9th. Lunch at large containers, you get a set of 2. Now I have the green and blue, but the new colors is Sun-Kissed Watermelon. You get a yellow or a pink, like a punchy pink red, or Sun-Kissed, or you get 2 watermelons. So you can get, this is a color of them right here. So you either get a set of 1 of each color, 2 of red or 2 of yellow. So it's your choice. And there are separate product numbers for all of those. So those are going for 2 for $19. So you get 2 of these for $19. Normally one of them is $15 in the catalog. So you're basically getting 2 for the same price and pay for extra dollars. So you're getting 2 of these for $19. So this is what the inside look like. You can fit a pretty good size sandwich in there, and then 2 little compartments up here for sandwich, and then cookies and fruit on the other side. Or if you have like a salad in one side, you could put pretzels and fruit on the other side. It's totally up to you. So dishwasher safe, BPA free. These come with the lifetime warranty. So that is the set of 2. Let me get the other one just to show you. It's the same color. Set of 2 for $19. And that is on sale till September the 9th. So again, you'll set of 2 lunch at large containers right here. You either get 1 of each color, sun-kissed and watermelon, or 2 watermelon and 2 sun-kissed. So you'll see, I will post that when we're done here. The other item that is on sale in this flyer is right here, the sandwich keepers, right here. Those are going 2 for $12. That's item number 81739. It comes in like a aqua blue, I think they call that peacock, and then like an orangey color. So you'll be getting 2 for $12. So that comes down to only $6 a piece. Item number 81739. So I have them in this blue and pink, but they're showing them in the colors of like an aqua blue and an orange. So this is what they will look like inside. The clasp is a little bit different too on mine. This other one has just a total snap down, or it shuts right over a little hook. So this is what they'll look like inside. You fit a normal standard size sandwich in there, or a bagel, or a croissant. The possibilities are limitless that you can put in one of these little boxes. And those are 2 for $12. Lifetime guarantee, BP, free, dishwasher safe. Not only can you put sandwiches in, but you can also put other things in, such as a kit that I put together that you toss in your purse or school bag with your mask, the hand sanitizer. I put a wet wipe in there. Yeah, so that will keep everything handy when you have to go into the store or at school, and keep it with you all the time. So just close it up, snap it up, and I have my son's backpack here, and toss it in the backpack, and you're good for the day. So you have it with you all the time, wherever you go. So that way you're not rummaging through your bag or your backpack for the hand sanitizer or your mask, and keeps your mask clean and dust free and away from any other weird stuff in your purse or your backpack that you don't want it next to. Yeah, just keeps it all in one spot. So that's what I use this for. I pack it all in and toss it in my purse or my tote, wherever I'll be, so it keeps it handy. Also, it's good in the cars. You know, put it in, put on your dashboard, or put on the passenger seat, so it's ready to go before you go into any public place. So you can use these for pretty much anything you want. Yeah, so you're getting 2 sandwich keepers for $12, and that's item number 81739. So put that there. Again, this brochure, the brochure flyer now, That is available. Everything you see here is available till September 9th. You can either order through me or on my website, pattybanzoff.my.tupperware.com. So you can either order through me, I'll process your order, or through my website. With FedEx delivery available. And for my locals, I personally will deliver your order. So the other thing I wanted to talk to you about was another lunch solution. This is right here. This is a smaller Luncheon container. This will come in a 2-piece set. This is not in our flyer right now. It's not on sale right now. That is in our summer catalog. Okay, and these are Luncheon container 2-piece sets. They come in a really pretty bright sunny yellow, and then I think that's the peacock color. That's a 2-piece set, includes 2 containers, each with 1 1/3 cup and 2 1/3 cup separated compartments. Number 554, $19. So you're getting 2 of these for $19, and that is in the summer catalog. And let me show you a little bit about what it looks like inside. Has a nice tab here, so you don't have to find the opening. Just easily open that up. That's what it looks like inside. You can fit a little salad in there, 2 compartments safe for pretzels and some fruit or dip, and then veggies. Again, the possibilities are endless with these luncheons. So snap that on. I have a mango color and a yellow, but they come in the catalog as a brighter, sunnier yellow and the blue. Yeah, so that's in our summer catalog. Those are 2 for, I believe, $19. Let's go over this again and check it out for you. Yep. 2 for $19 right here. So it comes that bright sunny yellow and then the aqua blue. Number 554, $19. And that's our summer catalog. This catalog will be ending next Wednesday, August 26th. So if you're interested in buying anything from this catalog, now's the time to do it before everything goes away. So like I said, order directly through me. Comment below if you want to place an order or order on the website. So that goes away next week. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about was our earnings opportunity. Yesterday we had that special. It was $5 to join. Now it's gone back up to $15. So if you're still interested, this virtual opportunity is still open. I'm not sure when they're going to end this, but they are going to keep it open until further notice. So if you're thinking about joining Tupperware, becoming a consultant, or just joining for the discount, now is the time to do it. Only $15. Normally our kits run $70 to $125, but right now the kits are the virtual kit $15. And then we have a full-size summer 2020 kit, and that's going for $60. So like the products, you can sign up through me or join right on my website, pattybanzoff.my.tupperware.com. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. And also, when you go on my website, there's also some information that you can read ahead about joining Tupperware and all the benefits of joining Tupperware. Some people, like I said, join just for the discount. And when we have new products that come out, they're called samples. There you have the opportunity to purchase them from 25%, I believe, all the way up to 50% off. So that's great too, because you're never paying full price on these products. So that's a really nice part too. And there's other perks to becoming a Tupperware consultant also. Like I will list that too. So look out for the flash sale coming Monday, August 24th. That starts at 3 p.m. I will post the products as soon as I get them on our page. And also this special on these Eco To Go cups too for $15. That is going on now all the way up till August 26th, which is when our summer catalog ends. So these two you can get all the way up till next Wednesday. So let me know. Leave a comment. Just say hello. Let me know you're there watching. And you take care. I'll be back on tomorrow and show you some other products. Thanks. Have a great day.